B, C, D, E, F, G. No.
Not so fast, darling, okay?
Okay. Yay!
You ready? Huh? Huh? You ready?
Yay! Who else can say the ABCs?
What a mess.
Who's gonna do it?
Daddy. Daddy. It's hard to get your little shirt on earlier today because her elbows are flexed too.
Oh, I know. Her legs too. You can tell she.
Yes.